to the facts. We're talking about verification of an address, sexual offender, correct?
That's correct.
And the Adam Walsh Act.
That's correct.
Which we then invalidated, correct? So the question is whether this invalidation, how that affected the idea of an offense being committed.
Exactly.
Correct?
Exactly.
Okay.
So the plain text of A5, does it encompass the situation in which he did engage in the facts for which he was convicted, but subsequently a court struck down the provision that was at issue that led to a criminal violation.
So even though we found it later to be unconstitutional, that this offense, as it was stated, was found to be unconstitutional, you're stating that the mere fact that he did not do what he should have done at the time, that made him not wrongfully imprisoned.
Exactly. A5 doesn't contemplate unconstitutionally applied offenses. It says the offense was not committed by the individual, and it doesn't say any offense. It says the particular offense that was charged, the revised code, the failure to verify offense here.
So what do we do about the issue of saying when something's invalidated, it never was?
I think you do exactly what you already did in Dunbar. So in Dunbar, they made the precise argument that a guilty plea that is invalidated on constitutional grounds is no guilty plea at all. It's a void guilty plea. And this court, at paragraph 15 of Dunbar, said there's a substantial difference between a void and avoidable guilty plea. Void goes to the subject matter